Hello everyone. Welcome back to Thrive Talk English, a place where learning English is not just about speaking a language, it's about becoming a better and stronger version of yourself. I'm Anaya. In today's video, I'm going to teach you 45 everyday phrasal verbs, the kind of phrasal verbs that native speakers use in real life every single day. And today, I'm not just going to teach you meanings. I'm going to show you a powerful way to actually use them in real life. In this video, you will learn first, a simple and clear meaning so you never feel confused. Then, a real life question so you understand how it's used daily. After that, a natural answer so you can practice speaking with confidence. And finally, a small life lesson so you feel connected, motivated, and remember it deeply. And one more powerful thing. When you start using these phrasal verbs in your daily speaking, your English will sound more natural, more fluent, and yes, more like a native speaker. By the end of this video, you will speak more naturally, remember words faster, build your own sentences easily, and most importantly, feel confident when you speak English. So don't just watch this video. Practice with me, speak with me, and feel the change. Let's begin. But before we start, let me tell you one simple thing. What is a phrasal verb? It's very simple. A phrasal verb is a combination of a verb plus a small word like up, on, off, out, and together they create a completely different meaning. Now, let's start with our first phrasal verb. 1. Wake up. Wake means to stop sleeping, but wake up means to start your day. What time do you wake up every day? I wake up at 5 a.m. every morning. I wake up to my goals every day, and I take action even when I don't feel like it. Get up, meaning leave your bed and stand up. Do you get up early? Yes, I get up at 5 a.m. I get up even when I feel tired, and I choose discipline over comfort. Go out, meaning leave your home for activities. Do you go out on weekends? Yes, I go out with my friends. I go out of my comfort zone and I challenge myself to grow every day. Come back, meaning return to a place. What time do you come back home? I come back at 7 p.m. I come back stronger after failure, and I use every setback as a lesson. Sit down, meaning take a seat. Do you sit down for dinner with your family? Yes, I sit down with my family. I sit down and reflect on my day, and I try to improve myself daily. Stand up, meaning rise to your feet. Do you stand up when someone enters? Yes, I stand up to greet them. I stand up for myself and I respect my own value. Put on, meaning wear clothes. What do you put on before going outside? I put on my shoes and jacket. I put on confidence every day, and I act like the person I want to become. Take off, meaning remove something. Do you take off your shoes at home? Yes, I take off my shoes. I take off my doubts and I free myself from negative thinking. Turn on, meaning start a device. What do you turn on first in the morning? I turn on my phone. I turn on my focus every day and I move closer to my goals. Turn off, meaning stop a device. Do you turn off your lights at night? Yes, I turn off my lights. I turn off negative thoughts and I protect my mindset. Work out, meaning exercise or stay fit. Do you work out every day? Yes, I work out in the morning. I work out my problems calmly and I think before I react. Eat out, meaning eat at a restaurant. Do you eat out often? Yes, I eat out on weekends. I enjoy life but stay balanced and I stay in control. Chill out, meaning relax completely. How do you chill out after work? I chill out by watching TV. I chill out and stay calm, and I give myself time to breathe. Hang out, meaning spend time with others. Do you hang out with friends often? Yes, I hang out on weekends. I hang out with positive people and I build a strong mindset. Lay down, meaning rest your body. Do you lay down in the afternoon? Yes, I lay down for some rest. I lay down and recharge myself, and I take care of my energy. Wind down, meaning relax after a busy time. How do you wind down at night? I read a book to wind down. I wind down and clear my mind, and I prepare for a fresh start. Stay up, meaning not go to bed. Do you stay up late on weekends? Yes, I stay up until midnight. I don't stay up wasting time and I respect my goals. Clean up, meaning make something tidy. Do you clean up your room daily? Yes, I clean up every morning. I clean up negative energy and I create a better environment for myself. Pick up, meaning collect something. Do you pick up groceries? Yes, I pick up groceries twice a week. I pick up new habits and I improve myself every day. Drop off, meaning deliver someone or something. Do you drop off anyone at school? Yes, I drop off my brother. I drop off bad habits and I choose a better path. Look after, meaning take care of someone. Who do you look after at home? I look after my younger brother. I look after my health and I value my well-being. Get in, meaning arrive somewhere. What time do you get in from work? I get in at 7 p.m. I get in on time and stay disciplined, and I stay consistent. Write down, meaning record something. Do you write down your tasks? Yes, I write down everything. I write down my goals and I turn my dreams into plans. Turn in, meaning go to bed. What time do you turn in? I turn in at 10 p.m. I turn in early and I prepare for a productive tomorrow. Look forward to, meaning feel excited about something. Do you look forward to weekends? Yes, I look forward to them. I look forward to a better future and I stay hopeful. Give up, meaning stop trying. Do you give up easily? No, I don't give up. I never give up on my dreams and I keep moving forward. Carry on, meaning continue. Do you carry on when tired? Yes, I carry on my work. I carry on no matter what, and I stay strong. Look for, meaning try to find. What do you look for daily? I look for my keys and phone. I look for opportunities and I stay aware. Find out, meaning discover something. How do you find out new things? I find out from the internet. I find out my true potential and I keep learning. Bring up, meaning mention something. Do you bring up ideas in meetings? Yes, I bring up new ideas. I bring up what truly matters and I express my ideas. Call back, meaning return a phone call. Do you call back people? Yes, I call back later. I call back opportunities and I stay ready. Run into, meaning meet unexpectedly. Do you run into people often? Yes, I run into old friends. I face whatever I run into and I stay brave. Get along, meaning have a good relationship. Do you get along with co-workers? Yes, I get along well. I get along with positive people and I grow together. Speak up, meaning express your thoughts. Do you speak up in meetings? Yes, I speak up confidently. I speak up for myself and I build confidence. Set up, meaning arrange something. Do you set up your day? Yes, I set up my schedule. I set up my future and I take action daily. Sort out, meaning solve a problem. Do you sort out your problems? Yes, I sort out things calmly. I sort out my life step by step and I stay patient. Come up with, meaning think of an idea. Do you come up with ideas? Yes, I come up with ideas daily. I come up with solutions and I think clearly. Figure out, meaning understand something. Do you figure out problems? Yes, I figure out solutions. I figure out my path and I never stop trying. Go over, meaning review something. Do you go over your notes? Yes, I go over them daily. I go over my mistakes and I learn from them. Show up, meaning appear or be present. Do you show up on time? Yes, I show up on time. I show up for myself every day and I stay committed. Back out, meaning withdraw from something. Do you back out of challenges? No, I don't back out. I don't back out and I stay committed. Run away, meaning escape. Do you run away from problems? No, I don't run away. I don't run away and I face everything bravely. Let go, meaning release something. Do you let go of the past? Yes, I let go. I let go and move forward, and I focus on the present. Calm down, meaning relax your mind. Do you calm down in stress? Yes, I calm down quickly. I calm down and think clearly, and I stay in control. Deal with, meaning handle a situation. Do you deal with problems well? Yes, I deal with them calmly. I deal with life strongly and I stay patient. Move on, meaning continue life. Do you move on after failure? Yes, I move on. I move on and grow stronger and I keep going. Great job! You just practiced 45 powerful phrasal verbs. Now think about this. If you can speak even 10 of them confidently, your English is already improving. And if you practice all 45 every single day, your fluency will change faster than you expect. Start using these in your daily life, in your thoughts, in your conversations, even when you are alone. That's how real English becomes natural. Before you leave, I want to say something from my heart. If you felt even a small change in your confidence today, if you spoke even one sentence better than before, then please don't ignore this moment, because this is your growth. So take one small step right now. Subscribe to Thrive Talk English, like this video, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss your daily English practice. And in the comments, write, I am improving every day. When you write it, you're not just commenting, you're making a promise to yourself. And I'll be here every single day to help you keep that promise. Let's grow together. Let's speak without fear. See you in the next video.